Hello programmers, back to another problem solving video, and in this video I will discuss about the pinong problem, which is first digit. So let's open this. So here it says given a number x, print even if the number is the first digit of x is even, otherwise print odd. So basically it gives me a number. The range of it is 999 to 9999, and if the first digit is even, I have to print even. If the first digit is odd, then I have to print odd. Okay, so let's do this. Copy the file name, sorry, question name, create a file using this name. Done. So uh, I just copy the URL and use a snippet, for example mms. Okay, and this is my code snippet. I will discuss about how I do this and how you can also write a snippet for yourself in VS Code. So for now I just solve this problem, and I discuss this snippet feature in another video. Okay, let move on the topic. So at first I have to take an input, so integer n, right scene, right shift n. Okay, so my input part is done, and here basically I just take t is equal to 1. Basically some of the problems take requires test cases, so that's why this is that in this template I just comment it out, and if the test cases required, then I just uncomment it, and this will works as like as I want. Okay, so for this problem I just take the variable n from the user, and I have to calculate the first digit. And how can I get the first digit from it? So this is easy, because uh, by the way, here I take this number as a integer, but if I do this, I have to run a for loop. Run a for loop, or I can say run a while loop to calculate from this number to this number. But there is another way to solve this problem, which is more simpler. So which is basically I take the number as a string. After that I just take the first digit. So first digit will be n0 minus character of 0. So it will basically convert the first digit as an integer number. So after that just print it out. Okay, so build it g++ first digit dot cpp. Okay, then run it. If you give 4569 as input, it returns with 4. And if you give, oh sorry, I have to print even or odd, not the first digit actually. So just use a ternary operator, cout first digit is odd, then print odd, then otherwise print even. And this is the condition actually. If the first digit is an odd number, so if we end if we end this number with 1, then it returns if this condition returns true, then I have to print odd, and if this condition returns false, then I have to print yes. And you can do this another way, just like this. For example, cout first digit modulus 2 equal 0, and if this is the case, then just print even, otherwise print odd. Okay, you can do either of this one and either of this one. Okay, so I just comment the second one and build again and run it with the second input 63569. Okay, and this is the output odd. And you can solve this problem using while loop also. So if you use while loop, then how can you solve this? Okay, so for example, I just comment it down with uh not like that, actually here. So this is the first way. So this is the first way, and this will be the second way. In the for the second way, I just take the input as integer n, c in right shift, not actually n, num, c in right shift num, then take a variable. Already I have the variable first digit. I can also write integer f is equal to, for example, 0. Take 0 as a first digit. So after that, just run a while loop and pass the variable num, and here just f will be num modulus 3, and it if we uh, if we write a number modulo 10, it returns the last digit. Basically, if this is the number, and if we modulo 10 with it, and it returns me with 9. Okay, for example, I can show you this. So if 4569 is my number, then, and if I modulo 10 with it, and it returns me with 9, and after that I have to do just num divided or equal 10. It basically removes the last digit. Okay, so if I write this again and remove the sign modulo to division, and it returns me 459.9, and since I already use integer data type, it automatically cut out this portion. So zero point 0.9 will be cut out, and 455 will be my new num variable. Okay, the new num variable will be 459, and again, since the number is not 0, so the loop will works again, and in the second iteration, what I can find, f is equal to 6, actually the last digit, and after that the num divided by 10, which will returns me 45 as the output. Okay, in the third iteration, it returns me the 5 as the value of first digit, and after that I again divide it by 10, and it returns me with 4 only. And after that, since num is equal not is equal to 0, that's why it works again, or it I can say it will iterate again. And in this case, uh, just num modulo 10, 4 modulo 10, so 4 modulo 10 is equal to 4. So after that, we can get f is equal to 4, and now after that it will divide by 10, so 4 divided by 10, which is 0.4. And after that, in the fourth iteration, in the fifth iteration, the num will be 0, because already I used integer data type, and it already used the integer part. Okay, so since in the while loop, num variable will be num is equal to 0 basically, and 0 means false, so the loops breaks here. So after that, I just print the output. Okay, so cout f is odd, then if yes, if this is a odd number, then print odd, otherwise print yes. And this is the second way, and you can do either this way or you can do either this way, and both of the solution works perfectly. So I just comment out the second part. Okay, let's submit this, and the problem name is the first digit dot cpp. Submit it. Okay, accepted. uh, okay, accepted. So see you in the next one, which is coordinates of a point. Till then, bye bye.